Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Bloons TD6 not launching or won't launch problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen issue on PC. And this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting our time, let's follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch options. So you can try manage DX11 or manage DX12. So open Epic Games Launcher. Then click on this three dot next to the Bloons TD6 game and then click on manage and then toggle on the launch options and then here type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game manage and this time in the launch option type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the game manage and remove the launch options, toggle off the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2. Perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to the AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links is given in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on the view, click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen, click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. And then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click as to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever you have installed the game. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games folder, open Bloons TD6 folder. Select this Bloons TD6 exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back and then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Bloons TD6 folder, select Bloons TD6 exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick marked, then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Avicii, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESET, then allow the game exe to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program. Fix 4. Run the game from the game installation folder. Run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games Launcher, click on this three dot next to the game and then click on manage. And then next to installation, click on this folder icon. It will open the game installation folder. Now double click Bloons TD6 exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the properties, go to compatibility tab, check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4 from drop down, select Windows 8. Hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5. Verify the game files. So open Epic Games. Click this three dot next to the Bloons TD6 game, click on manage and then click on verify next to the verify files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 6. Run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Click on Add Desktop App. Now browse to the game installation folder. Open C drive, open Program Files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Bloons TD6 folder. Select Bloons TD6 exe file, click on Add. After adding it, look for it, expand it, and then next to GPU preference, select High Performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you are on the Microsoft website, scroll down. Download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is fixed or not. Next fix, delete Bloons TD6 save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress as well as saved settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. Now here how to do it. Open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so, and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, then open local low folder, then open Ninja Kiwi folder, and here you will see Bloons TD6 folder. Right click on it and then first copy it and go to desktop and paste it. And after keeping the backup, again right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 9, disable overlay. So you can disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 10, close conflicting or unnecessary programs. You can disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 11 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC once. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Simply uninstall the Bloons TD6 game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Bloons TD6 game not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or a black screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.